Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Lowlife UK777 and another vlog here. I am using my iPod today, not my camera, which is over there, somewhere there. And listen to this. He stopped.
Kill the zombies, shoot the zombies, shoot the zombies high. The zombies bite you to name in the head, they can't eat you if you make them dead.
Mental. Yeah, so I got speakers yesterday and iPod, obviously, and I got jeans and a Angry Birds game. So I got quite a lot yesterday actually. Anyway guys, I'm going to see you later. I'm going to get my dinner. I'm sorry it's only been a short vlog, but this is just a test vlog really. To listen to Jay on the... Make sure you check out his channel, Explosives. He hasn't got any videos yet because he sucks. But yeah, apart from that, peace out.